we can see it from here, and we can see the Orthomode, and the shortcut for the Orthomode is F8. So once we press F8 from our keyboard, then we can turn on and turn off Orthomode very easily. So what is the use of Orthomode? For example, if the Orthomode is off and you are going to draw any line, so you can draw the line in any angle freely like this. You can draw it very easily. But if you need a line horizontally, like if you need a horizontally line like this, so you don't know that how much is your angle, or you need it vertically. So for this purpose, we are using Orthomode. You can use F8 from your keyboard, or you can click simply here. So now it should be turned on, and I'm going to draw a line. You can see that this line is only going straight here like 180 and 90 degree. So it will not draw on any angle. It should be like horizontally or vertically like this. So for this purpose, this Orthomode is very good. If you're going to draw any horizontal or vertical line, you can easily use. It's only work for the angle. Like for example, if you need any angle line, it can work. But in any other line on the display, if you're going to draw on the display, it will not work on any angle, just two angle, and 0 like this and 90 degree. And the one thing is that if you have an object, for example, I am going to draw a rectangle here and circle. This is our object. If I wanted to move this object to any other place, like select the move from here, and I am going to move, so it will move horizontally or vertically like this. You can move it only vertically or horizontally. You can move it from here to here. So this is the problem. If I want to move to the specific place, I cannot move it because my Orthomode is on. For example, I'm going to off Orthomode from here. Now it's freely move to one place to another place easily. So you can see it from here to here. It will place very easily. So this is the use of Ortho button. So you can use it for polyline, like this is the free polyline. If you wanted to go to use Orthomode, select Orthomode, polyline, and you can draw the polyline straight on 0 or 90 easily. You can draw it from here to here. So this is the use of Ortho button. And if you need to use Ortho button, for example, I am going to draw the line from here to here, and the object you can draw it like from here to here, and from here to here, from here to here. Also you can draw like this. Like this you can draw, but if there is no any object on the display, it will not work like this to draw on any angle. So we will see in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.